Could be one of Stentor's scouts. Looks
I'll
like
get
he's run
every
into some
Athenian
problems.
responsible for this. Fucking...
What happened here?
Wow.
What business is it of yours, Misthios? Do you know anything about this?
Yep.
I'm a professional. And a friend.
But what's that supposed to mean?
If it had been me, I'd have been smart enough to try and hide the evidence.
Fair point. Whoever did this was brazen and foolish, leaving it to be so easily discovered.
Or they wanted to send a message. Stentor sent me. I'm here to help wherever I can.
Stentor sent you?
Sparta doesn't fully control Megaris. Yet. It's easier for me to move freely in certain areas of Megaris than a Spartan.
The Athenians have proven more resilient here than expected. But they will not
Before
stand.
Sparta, yes. I've heard the speeches. But until that glorious day comes, we should find out what happened here.
Do you have any ideas?
Not yet, but I will.
Ya, masa untuk menyiasat.
I should get a closer look to figure out what happened here. These were professional soldiers, slaughtered to a man. I don't think bandits could have done this.
Okay. Oh, kita rembat barang orang ni. Okay.
The supplies are missing. They can't have gone far, though. They didn't use the carts.
Okay, betul.
Looks like they went this way into the forest. I don't think I'll find anything else. I should report back.
Okay, jom. Boleh orang member tau. Alah, tak jauh pun. Sorry. Tertolak pula.
So was it the Athenians?
I found some fragments of a green crystal.
Bandits then. The mountains here are riddled with caves, and the war has made them brazen.
Okay. Okay, here what I know. Here what my get say.
If it was Athenians, they would have taken the carts as well as the supplies. And bandits, they wouldn't have stood a chance against trained Spartans.
What are you saying?
I'm not sure.
Whoever did this went into the forest. So I'll start by looking there.
Ah, bagus. Mana? Sini ke? Oh, tak jauh. Ah, tu ha. Laju sikit, Ikarus. Laju sikit. Ah, ni dia. Bukan. Mana? Inilah kan? Apa hal ni?
There they are.
Ah, tu dia. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, kita nak. Tapi makna mercenary macam kita jugalah. Dia boleh bunuh tentera bersenjata kan? Tentera yang
There's
mahir.
food being cooked near here.
Ah, yelah namanya. Kita daging. Wih, sekejap. Banyak bakar. Oi.
Is this a private gathering? Or can anyone join?
What are you? Please. Please just leave.
You don't look like murderers. Was that the Spartans' mistake?
What? Wait, no! Please, you don't understand.
What's to understand? It all seems perfectly clear.
Please, let me plead our case.
You'd better tell me why I shouldn't just kill you and return the goods.
Please, I'll tell you anything you want to know.
Okay. Who are you?
You're the sorriest band of thieves I've ever seen.
By the gods, no! We're citizens of Megara. Please, show mercy. This war has already cost us dearly.
Oh, dua
Like the
orang.
mercy you showed those Spartan soldiers?
We just took some food. Irkanos told us to take it, said he'd make it easy for us.
Irkanos?
Yes,
Irkanos.
the mercenary. He said he'd provide food. Told us the Athenians would never let their people go hungry.
Oh.
Explain yourselves. It's not wise to anger the Spartans.
Please, we're not thieves. This is our food, our crops. They took it, left us with nothing. Our children are starving.
So you repay theft with murder. A fine lesson for your children.
Murder! No! Please, we never harmed anyone.
Mistios told us where to find the food. Everyone was already dead.
Okay.
Explain yourselves.
Dia
Please.
kata dah.
So you repay theft with murder.
Mistios told us where to find the food.
Oh.
Enough! I didn't come here for a debate.
It's too late for talk now. I came to find who's behind this crime against Sparta.
Okay, kita bagi belah kasihan lah, takkan nak bunuh dia orang kan.
Stand aside. You don't need to die today. I'm returning the supplies to the Spartans.
Then you will do so over our dead bodies.
Don't be stupid. Take some food, enough to get by. I'll say I killed you and claimed what was left. They will be satisfied.
But the food! What of our families?
Your families will not benefit from your death. Accept my offer and don't steal again. It won't be me who comes for you next time.
Yes, Mistios. Thank you.
Betul juga. Tapi
Hurry,
betul lah.
take what you can carry and go. Quick!
Cepat. Pergi ambil apa yang boleh ambil. Bebas sikit. Okay. Betul
Thank
juga.
the gods they didn't try to fight. I wasn't in the mood to kill starving civilians today.
Tapi punca dia nama itu juga, Irkanos juga. Adakah Irkanos ini adik-beradik Thanos? Amis panah.
Did you find the ones responsible?
I found your supplies with a bunch of hungry Megarians.
And?
You stole that food from them. They were starving.
The supplies were essential for the war and ridding Megara of the Athenians.
Hungry Megarians are the least of your worries. But there's something else. Have you heard of the mercenary called Irkanos?
Irkanos. Yes, he's working for the Athenians. So the rumors go.
This is all he's doing.
These mercenaries are persistent, I'll give them that. You've done well here, but if you really want to help Sparta, I have a task for you.
Okay.
What did you have in mind?
Hunt him down. Show him that no mercenary dog will interfere with Sparta's plans.
Since you have such a high opinion of mercenaries, why even send me?
I'm sorry. It's just this man, Irkanos, is like a thorn in our foot. He's a menace to all Spartans here. Please, will you help us?
Okay, ambil lah job kan.
I'll do it. If he's this much trouble, I take it there's a sizable reward?
Of course. Just think of how much he'll have on him with all the drachmi Athens has given him to thwart our plans.
I suppose you're right. Any idea where to start looking?
He could be anywhere. Most likely, he's nestled up close to the Athenians. We've sent out a couple of patrols, but they never returned. And we can't spare any more men at this time.
Okay.
Fortunately, I'm not just any man.
Betul juga. Tapi aku perasan tu benda lah. Dia ni macam pendek. Dia Spartan juga kan. Tapi kalau kau tengok balik ukuran dia,
You can't do what you want here.
aku tolong kau kan. Kubuk orang.
I don't want to be spotted here.
anyone there?
Okay.
I'm imagining.
Okay. Dapat seorang je kan. Okay, kita bunuh kat sini.
There's no need in getting so close when you kill someone. Get yourself a good bow and kill from the shadows. Keep your hands clean. Ha! But lay off the wine if you're going to be using a bow. Trust me. You'll need a steady hand if you're going to hit your mark.
You always make so much sense. Who's whistling?
You need to stop that now.
Diam. Okay, satu settle. Apa tak kena pula ni? Ni hai. Alamak, bergerak pula botak ni. Aduh. Tunggu dia berhenti tu.
What was that? You can't.
Diam. Benda. Benda kenapa? Diam pula. Alah. Alah. Aku tak nak gambar. Aku nak lawan. Stop. Layang seorang tu. Tengok. Aku nak mana yang atas ni. Berapa ramai sini. Satu kedua. Oh ni kedua dia. Oh kau lah kena jamun. Jamun. Pegau. Takut. Alamak. Ni. Ya. Tak kena. Tembak tak kena. Alah stuck ke batu pula. Sekejap. Okay. Battle settle. Nyambung settle. Ada satu kotak
2 hours later.
Nak hambat si Thanos. Okay. Naik lah atas ni kan. Kill the captain saja. Ramai ke
This
atas
must
ni?
be Irkanos' camp.
Ui ramai weh. Ramai. Dah sikit ni.
What's happening over there? Someone must be making that noise. Stop the fucking whistling! I was so sure there was something.
Kenapa tak boleh assassin? Kenapa tak boleh bunuh? Astaga. Mati aku. Dia kat sini pula tu kerja nak lawan dia. Tunggu. Bagi aku duit dulu. Astagfirullahaladzim. Woi. Astagfirullah. Seorang lah. Okay. Dulu, naik bukit dulu. Tak bunuh si Thanos ni. Tak, tadi patut boleh bunuh. Tak boleh bunuh, kau tahu tak? Tinggi pula bukit dia ni. Kena banyak ni. Tak boleh, aku ni tak cukup lagi. Sekejap. Ni kau turun mati ni Kang. Sekejap. Aku checkpoint ni. Ni lah. Dia bunuh dia. Dia bunuh senyap. Ni lah. Yang janji nyawa dia kurang. Apa kau? Get away. Apa miss ni? Kena. Kau nak ke mana? Sekejap, yang tunggu situ. Cepat sikit.
Spot anything?
There's nothing. on my end.
Do not lose your focus.
Boleh ke?
This one is dead.
Tinggi sangat je.
Right. Eyes open, sir.
Try je lah. Ui, boleh Mat. Astagfirullahaladzim. Okay. Play ni je. Yang lain senang settle. Ini je susah posisi ni.
This has been quite profitable. Maybe I should hunt down more mercenaries.
Apa kau? Sini. Orang ni senang je lawan. Satu dua macam tu je. Akan perisai sendiri. So kau dia tadi panah kan. mati pun. Kau. Melayang kawan tu. Okay.
Got him now.
Kau apa kau? Duduk. Ambil. Settle. Okay. Sekarang ni kita nak ambil kotak cepat. Ni dia. Okay, cun. Belah. Tinggi pula. Weh, aduh. Jom.
The mercenary Irkanos is dead.
Sparta thanks you, Misthios.
What about my reward?
We never entered into a contract. This is something you did
yeah.
yourself. But be assured, Sparta is grateful.
Great.